In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Google Calendar. This process can help streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage your schedules and meetings directly from your Airtable interface. Let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Airtable. Once you're on the Airtable website, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. The first thing you'll need to do once you're in is to head over to your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon is crucial as it leads you to all the settings you'll need to set up your integration. Clicking on the profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for and click on the Integrations option. This is the section where you'll manage any apps or services you want to connect with Airtable. Now, once you're on the Integrations page, you will see a button labeled Plus Connect New Account. Click on this to proceed with connecting a new tool or service to your Airtable account. A list of potential integrations will appear, so you'll need to find and click on Google Calendar. Remember, this is the key integration we're focusing on today, which is going to allow you to push your Airtable updates directly to your calendar. Connecting to Google Calendar will require you to authorize the connection between Airtable and your Google account. So, look for the option that says Test Email and click on it. This is where you'll select the Google account you wish to connect. After selecting your email, you may be prompted to provide permissions. These permissions are necessary for the two platforms to communicate effectively. Simply click on Continue to approve the connection. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, you'll advance to a page where you might see a highlight button. Click on it to finalize the setup. This step is essentially making sure that all permissions are acknowledged and everything is configured correctly. Finally, you'll see another highlight button. Clicking on this will make sure the integration is actively working and configured to start syncing your data between Airtable and Google Calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Airtable to Google Calendar. This integration will help in maintaining up-to-date records of your tasks and meetings automatically, smoothing your workflow and saving precious time. Don't forget, you can always revisit the integration settings within Airtable if you need to make adjustments, or if you want to disconnect and choose another account to link. Thank you for following along, and make sure to use the comments section to leave any questions or to share your feedback. Happy scheduling,